Still solving DSA the old way? You're wasting hours. Claude AI can become your personal coding mentor, explaining concepts, giving hints instead of answers, but only if you know how to use it correctly. Here are 10 powerful Claude AI tricks that will help you learn DSA faster and crack coding interviews. Trick 1. Never ask Claude AI for the complete solution first. Instead, ask it to explain the intuition behind the problem. First, understand why the algorithm works, then think about the brute force approach, and finally discover the optimized solution. This way, you're learning to solve problems yourself instead of just copying code. Trick 2. Don't ask Claude for the answer. Instead, ask for just one hint at a time. When you get stuck, pause there. Ask for one hint, nothing more, then keep going and solve it yourself. You stay unstuck without getting the answer. Trick 3. Turn Claude into your interviewer. Let it ask you questions, challenge your approach, and give feedback just like real coding interview. Trick 4. Ask Claude to find the tricky edge cases before you code. It helps you spot hidden problems and makes your solution interview ready. Test it before they do. Trick 5. Ask Claude to compare your brute force and optimized solutions. You'll see exactly what's slowing your code down and exactly how to improve it. Every line measured. Trick 6. Give Claude your test case and ask it to dry run your code step by step, line by line. You'll quickly see where your logic goes wrong. Trick 7. If your code gets TLE or wrong answer, don't ask Claude for a new solution. Ask it to find exactly where your logic fails and why. Trick 8. Ask Claude to generate tricky test cases for your solution. Then try solving them yourself before checking the answer. Trick 9. After solving a problem, ask Claude for follow-up interview questions. This helps you prepare for the what interviewers ask next. Trick 10. Stop asking Claude for answers. Ask it to quiz you on DSA patterns and concepts. That's how AI stops being an answer machine and becomes your personal DSA coach. Want more AI and DSA tricks? Follow us on Instagram and subscribe on YouTube. Keep learning, keep coding, and crack that next interview.